Here are the updates to my new addition to my room. I basically got my framework sitting up down here. I got my bed of mulch where it is. Got some of my climbing equipment here. Floor still looks the same up there as the other half of the pole. Here's the pole that I mounted so far. Climbing wall is going to go right here. Got the handles and everything down there. Framework's up. Got a little bit of lighting started here, so let's go up there and check that out. And you come in here, and basically, valve's the same, the loft is the same. I started my new ladder there to get the bed easier. I got my violin there, rocket launcher there. Rocket in the house. Ceiling fan runs on the bowling ball. I got my frets for my violin there. Big tuning peg up there. And I got my climb gear here ready to go. Figure 8 tied off. Helmet. Chalk block. A big freaking dog just wandering around right there. I got my pole here. It needs installed. The top half of it. Needs the holes drilled in it. It needs to be installed there. Got a couple signs there. All this stuff's been removed out of the window. I put it up there. We got the beehive here. Pretty much ready to go for when spring comes. See that? But that's gonna be sweet. I can't wait to do that. Oh, crap out there. This dog's gonna jump out the freaking window. So you can see this is coming along, and all the stuff that was in the window is all up there now. I got my signs here. My desk has been moved over to here. Here's my high chair, my drawer I always sit in. I got my... Oh, I tell you what, I got this at the flea market the other day. I tell you, finally all this stuff came down in price and I was able to get one of these. This is a signal light for a rail crossing. I rearranged my flower bouquet a little bit. I got the stereo there going up to there. Yeah, still pretty much all looks the same up there, but down there is where the difference was in the window. And I'll tell you what, stay tuned for when this gets complete. I mean, this is going to be a heck of a thing.